You've been lied to. The car count gurus are trying to tell you that the holy grail of getting car count and fixing all your problems is just getting reviews. On this video, I'm going to prove to you that you've been lied to, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Buckle up, because we're starting right now. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for joining me on this short video at Car Count Hackers. If you're a new or established auto repair shop, or you're planning on starting your own shop, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon right after that. That way, you'll be the first to know every time I release new tips, weird hacks, and dirty little secrets that'll help you grow your car count, income, and profits. You watch baseball, don't you? Who's your favorite hitter? When you watch your favorite hitter, he connects with the ball and he follows through. That follow-through is the difference between a base hit and a grand slam. It's not just connecting with the ball, it's the follow-through that counts. What about golf? You ever watch Tiger Woods golf? For Tiger Woods, the difference in the follow-through is instead of taking a 6-iron and whacking the ball 140 yards, he takes that same 6-iron, drops the ball 202 yards away, and does it right out of the bunker. That's what the follow-through is all about. For you as a shop owner, the follow-through is the difference between taking a cheap oil change and turning it into a profitable repair job. Yes, I agree, your online reviews are important, but that's not where it ends. You could have a lineup of customers at your service counter, and if they don't trust you, that's it. There's no follow-through. You pack up and go home because it really doesn't matter. So how do you follow through on those great reviews? Well, you have to, first of all, be able to build trust quickly. Now, I'm going to link above here to a video I just did, part of the Auto Shop Owners Trust Funnel Marketing series, and that'll help explain the different types of trust and what you need to do. But understand that just because a customer's at your service counter, they haven't agreed to the job yet. And in fact, I can prove to you that the decision they make to go ahead and do the job is going to be influenced by what they see or hear just before they make their decision. That means you're going to have to take the customer and build trust with them quickly. It's not just about the review getting them to stand at your front door because you haven't followed through yet. You have to be able to take that customer and send them an email quote, if that's the way you do it, and be sure you're including a link to all the great reviews already on your page. What about sending them a link to your Facebook page where you have actual customers in short video clips, and you're turning your Facebook page from tire kickers to customers? Typically, we think that trust has to be built over a matter of time. But I'm going to tell you, if you smash that subscriber button right now, ring the bell icon next to it, you'll be the first to know when I release more information on the trust funnel marketing strategy that will follow through on all those great reviews. In an earlier video, I talked about 3 different types of trust. But do you realize that there's 9 factors that get people to trust you? I don't want to get into it because I know you're busy and you got to run. But there's only 3 or 4 that you have to concentrate on. So now the only other thing you have to do is go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon right next to it. That way you'll be the first to be notified when I release my new trust marketing series of videos. I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care. Talk soon.